Swamp Creek Bridge for Sweetgrass County. It's a 24-foot wide by 65-foot span, pre-engineered modular steel bridge designed and fabricated by TrueNorth Steel. This particular job utilized the Supersill abutment system, which is a steel box form that consists of structural elements, and once set and installed, is filled with concrete. The Supersill abutment is typically utilized in situations where the soils are conducive for a perch style abutment or a spread footing. Modular steel bridges are simple to install based on showing up in component form and simply bolting adjacent modules together to achieve your width and length, and utilize a steel back wall to protect each end of the bridge and provides a decent place to build your road approaches. TrueNorth Steel modular bridges seamlessly tie together the most important aspects of bridges, including aesthetics, cost, and installation time. Our durable, prefabricated, high-quality modular designs are low cost and can meet AASHTO, state, and local bridge design requirements. We ship them prefabricated directly to the projects so they easily can be assembled and installed by contractors or county crews, resulting in minimal road closure time.